Hey, it's unboxing day. I got my Epic box, which comes with so many awesome seasonings and meals and things to try out. A lot of new things, a taste tester, a full jar of our balsamic vinaigrette. And it's so cool that so many of these, like they're more than one meal, right? So it's not just 7 meals. It depends on how many people it's in your home, of course, or you could cook once, eat twice. Like the Marry Me chicken is 4 servings, 16 for the Swedish meatballs, 4 for the balsamic chicken, 6 for the beef stroganoff, and 4 for the lemon chicken. I mean, that's pretty cool. Of course, it's not just the Epic box I got today, but I also got an order of some cool things. And what's cool about all this one is that I got this free with my host benefits. So if you ever want to like shop for free, you can do it as an ambassador too, by the way. You can get the goodies that you want for free. So I got mac and cheese, which is a must in our house. Pancakes, another must. I made these just on the weekend. And Magic Scoop greens, because why not, right?